bullish and bearish reversal. Strong market pressure up and strong market pressure down. So bullish and bearish reversals. This little red circle is a bearish reversal. It represents reversal or retest from the current price action. And the green circle is a bullish reversal, which means the price is going to retest before making a move. Again here, we have is the bearish reversal, which means the weakest. Again, we have is the bullish reversal. So these reversals, they are highly useful to understand if the market is falling or if the market has bearish momentum. And if we get this bearish and bullish reversal signals, which means the market is going to retest the zone, this zone. And if it breaks the zone, it will go up. And if it didn't break the zone, it will go down, right? So they are highly useful. Again, we have a bullish reversal. Market was falling down. We had this bearish reversal. And then again, a retest here to this zone, and it didn't break. So the market went out. So they're highly useful to understand market reversals and helps you clarify if the market can move upwards or the market is going to play downwards. Again here, bearish reversal, the market was trying to go up, but then again with the bearish reversal, we see a move downwards. So it's highly useful. And we also have the strong market pressure levels. So let's say if we have the strong market pressure up, but we have the bearish reversal on with the red circle, so price is gonna go down. We're in the upcoming momentum, we will see the price action go up. So we have this SMP down, but we had the bearish reversal, bullish reversal to the upside. So we saw a reversal here, but the overall pressure was downwards. So the overall pressure was upwards here and the overall pressure was downwards, right? So this is how we can understand the market behavior, and we can expect move upwards or downwards. Again here, we have the SMP and a reversal signals. So we had the reversal, but the overall momentum goes upwards. And again here, they have the SMP and with the bearish circle. So we had the bearish reversal here, but the overall pressure was upwards. So the market didn't fall here, but went up here. And eventually with the trend tracer and the trend tracker in the red, we have the market fall down, right?